Hey everyone, if you're thinking about shopping on jsvstore.com, you need to watch this before you click buy. I've dug into this site, and honestly, the red flags are everywhere. First off, jsvstore.com might look like just another online store, but when you scratch the surface, it's a different story. Sites like Trustpilot paint a pretty grim picture, with similar stores racking up complaints about undelivered items, terrible service, and, well, just straight up being scams. What really worries me is the lack of transparency. Real businesses tell you who's running the show, give a legit address, and usually a phone number too. JSV Store? Nope. It's just a faceless contact us form. That's a classic move for scam websites. And get this, their About Us and privacy policy pages? They're basically copy-pasted from dozens of other shady sites. If you see the same exact wording all over the internet, run the other way. Let's talk prices. If they're offering your favorite gadgets or shoes for way less than anywhere else, that's another huge red flag. Scam sites use super cheap prices to reel people in, then either never ship anything or just steal your card info. Here's a quick checklist if you're ever unsure. Google the site's address. If it's someone's house or a random parking lot, that's a bad sign. Check their social media. Real stores have active pages and real comments, not empty accounts or broken links. And always see if they're listed on the Better Business Bureau or Google Transparency Report. Bottom line? My advice is to steer clear of jsvstore.com. If you've already ordered from them, call your bank ASAP to report it and try to get your money back. Looking for a specific product you saw there? Drop it in the comments. I can help you find a legit deal from a trustworthy site. Stay safe and shop smart.